welcome back to our channel. We are so glad to have you. Today is a special one for me because I've been eyeing the company for a while now, and I just love their clutches and I wanted one. But before we get into it, I wanted to give you a little bit of history because I think it's pretty unique for them. The Bvlgari family, they started off having silver jewelry, just jewelry period. And then they moved on to eyewear and hotels, resorts, spas, and they eventually picked up bags. They started doing bags. And it is a family-owned business, family-ran business from what I understand, and it started in like 1880s, the 1880s. So without further ado, Bvlgari. I decided to do this in my room this time because the sun was just shining today. Let me make sure I got this right. So, upside down. No, it wasn't. Okay. Work with me, bag. Work with me, box. There we go. Had a little magnetic on it or something. So, here is the box. Isn't that box so cute? Even the head of the box is really fantastic. Bvlgari logo. Out of that shipping box. Paperwork is falling out, but it comes with paperwork. This is just your thanks for purchasing, your receipt from purchase. The thank you card, thank you for adding it to your collection, and then the returns and exchanges. That's that. This one, you do so much for, this is from my husband. Little card, really cute. Here we go. If you buy a bag, it comes with perfume. You ain't come for that though. You came, look at this box though. It looks just like the other packaging. Really nice, really nice. So that. So pretty. And here is the bag. This box is really nice too. It has like velvet in the inside. Let's unwrap her. Look how beautiful she is. So let's just admire her. This is what I bought the bag for. I thought this little thing was just so cute. The little buckle for the bag. It's just so cute. Well, let's get into how it looks. Hopefully the sun cooperates. But that's like a snake head. And it has black onyx eyes. Usually they'll have like the green ones, but this one has the black. The reason why I got this color is because I do like Gucci, but I wasn't sure if we were still boycotting them, so my green with the maroon and black. Let's go in the inside. It's black leather on the inside. And let's see the straps. Whoa. So the strap is like a yellow gold, which is also pretty. And if you do not want to have the strap on, you can unleash it here. And then I'll show you in the inside. There's a snap. You just take that snap off and then you can pull them through if you did not want your strap on there. And I'll just show you kind of how it looks with the strap. Isn't that so cute? So cute. I'm looking at the back detailing. I didn't notice this on the website, but I just love the way that the stitching goes on here in the Bvlgari logo. It has a Bvlgari on the snap as well. In the inside, you have some more letters. The dust bag that it comes with. And all of these bags come with a mirror. This one is kind of small because it's a smaller bag. But it's like a square. It's a square little mirror. And the mirror goes in this little pouch right there. I'll put that back in. You can't really see it, but there's a Bvlgari logo right there. It has that little blue tape on it as well. It's metal. I'll get that out later. But this is the bag. So, let me see. I'm using my phone to video. So I can get my phone in here. I can get a couple cards, my card pouch I can get in here, and my keys and a few other things. So the inside, to say it's a smaller bag, is really enough. This is the top detailing. That stitching is just so beautiful. But the head though, so I wanted a smaller bag because with me being out right now, I don't need no heavy bag. I just want to get up, get out, and get back inside, especially with, you know, everything that's going on in the world right now. I don't want to be digging all in my bag to try and find my keys or try and find my credit cards or even my phone. So this was perfect for me. And I think I would wear it crossbody. I'll stand up and show you how it looks crossbody. Don't come for my outfit. I just got the bag in and I just wanted to show y'all. And I thought that this chain was heavy, and it feels heavy, but when it's crossbody, it feels regular. It feels like a regular handle. And that's if I wanted to wear it on the shoulder. I would definitely wear this bag like this though. How cute. How cute. So this one is called the Serpent Diamond Blast. I guess that's why we got the detailing on the back. And Diamond Blast, deep shade, smooth calf leather, black, smooth calf leather Roman garnet with the light gold. So it's like light yellow gold. But it's just so beautiful. It's just so pretty. I just love it. But anyway, that's all I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really, really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment below if you have this bag or if you wanted a Bvlgari bag like I did for a while. This is my first, by the way. This is my first Bvlgari bag for a while because of the... I'm almost ashamed to say that, but I just think it's cute. I think it's cute. So comment if you have one, and if you want me to do a what's in my bag video, I will do that as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.